Good morning, children. Now let's start learning the sound and the phonic song of alphabet W. Okay? आप सबने सीखा ना अल्फ़ाबेट W लिटरेसी स्किल शीट बुक में कैसे प्रैक्टिस करना है. So now we will learn the sound and the song of letter W. Okay? Before that, join your hands and get ready for the session. So let's start, children. Gurur Brahma, गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Very good, children. So children, you all have practiced uppercase and lowercase letter W in your literacy skill sheet book, right? So now I will show you which all pages you have to practice in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay. So children, this is your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay. In this book, open to your page number 74. 74. In this page you will practice uppercase, that is capital letter W. Okay. कैसे लिखना है मैंने बताया था ना आपको लिटरेसी स्किल शीट बुक में. सो यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर्स दिए हैं लेटर W से शुरू होने वाले, लेट अस स्टार्ट रीडिंग द वर्ड्स. W फॉर वॉच, W फॉर watermelon. Okay. Then after this, come to your next page, page number 75, in which you will practice lower case, that is small letter W. Okay. You should not touch the red line. दोनों red line को आपको touch नहीं करना है lower case के लिए. Okay. So in this page you will practice lower case, that is small letter W. W for window, W for well. Okay. After this, come to the next page, page number 76. In this page you will practice uppercase and lowercase W together. Capital and small letter W एक साथ लिखना है. Okay children, everyone understood which all pages you have to practice? Yes. So children, now it's turn to learn the sound of W. Okay. The sound of W is, yes, do you all know? V. V. Okay. The sound of W is V. Worms. V. Water. V. Well. Okay. Here is the phonic song of letter W. Worms are wiggling, wo wo wo. Worms are wiggling, wo wo wo. Worms are wiggling, wo wo wo. Wo 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 worms. Okay, wo wo. Okay, worms wiggling. Okay, worms जब मूव करते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? विगलिंग. विगलिंग. ऐसे ही worms मूव होते हैं ना? Yes. One more time we will sing the phonic song. Worms are wiggling, wo wo wo. Worms are wiggling, wo wo wo. Worms are wiggling, wo wo wo. Wo 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 worms. Okay children, the phonic sound of W is V, and this is the phonic song of W. Okay. So now let's proceed towards the alphabet story. I will narrate a small alphabet story in which I will use some words of letter W. Okay, starting with the letter W. Okay, here is the alphabet story of letter W. Okay, the name of the story is Wendy and Mr. Walrus. Okay, so let's start children. Valley is a white wolf. इस एनिमल का नाम क्या है? वुल्फ. वाइट वुल्फ. W for wolf. क्या नाम है वुल्फ का? वैली. Valley is a white wolf. Okay. One day he walks to the sea beach. Valley एक दिन sea beach, बीच में चला गया था. But he cannot swim. Why Valley went to the beach? For swimming. But Valley को swimming नहीं आती थी. He cannot swim. At that time he sees Mr. walrus. W for walrus. You can see this huge animal. इस क्या नाम है इनका? Walrus. And blows a whistle. He wanted to call Mr. Walrus. कैसे बुलाया उन्होंने? वैली ने एक विसल ब्लो किया. हेलो सर, विल यू टेक मी स्विमिंग प्लीज? वैली को स्विमिंग नहीं आती थी, तो वैली ने वॉलरस की हेल्प मांगी. विल यू टेक मी टू स्विमिंग प्लीज? ही आस्क्ड हिम. यस, आई विल. Mr. Walrus agreed to take Valley for swimming, says Mr. Walrus. Valley climbs on his back. Valley Walrus के back पे climb कर लिया था उन्होंने. You can see on the screen how he sat on the back of Walrus and they swim in the sea. Okay? After climbing on the back of the walrus, they started swimming in the sea. In the sea, they met a blue whale. Look at this fish, whale. Yes, they see a blue whale. After swimming in the evening, Mr. Walrus take Valley to his house. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को अपने घर लेके जाते हो ना खेलने के बाद, वैसे ही स्विमिंग पूरा होने के बाद मिस्टर वॉलरस वैली को अपने घर लेकर गए. ऑन द बीच. कहाँ था उनका घर? ऑन द बीच. देयर दे मीट मिस्टर व्हीसल. लुक एट द व्हीसल. इस एनिमल का नाम क्या है? व्हीसल. देयर दे मीट मिस्टर व्हीसल. After meeting Mr. Whistle, they sit near a window. Mr. Walrus के घर वो विंडो के पास तीनों बैठ गए and drink watermelon juice together. तीनों ने कौन सा जूस पिया? Watermelon juice. Valley then looks at his watch. Watch में क्यों देखते हम? For seeing the time, right? Valley then look at his watch. It's time for me to go. वैली ने बोला, टाइम देखने के बाद वैली ने बोला कि मुझे जाना चाहिए. It's time for me to go. Goodbye, says Valley. Valley says goodbye to his friends. Valley says goodbye to his friends. Valley then walks back home. Valley फिर अपने घर चला गया. So children, understood? This was the story for letter W. Now we will recall the words starting with letter W. Okay? See, white wolf. W for white wolf. Walrus. W for walrus. Whale. W for whale. Weasel. W for weasel. Look at the right side, you can see the real image of the weasel. Window. वो तीनों विंडो के पास बैठे थे. W for window. Watermelon. कौन से फ्रूट का जूस उन्होंने पिया था? Watermelon. W for watermelon. Watch. W for watch. Okay children? Everyone understood? So children, these were the words which I have used in this short story. So now after watching this video, take out your book and start practicing and learn the sound and the phonics song also of letter W. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.